here's the theme from 2001, A Space Odyssey, the Kubrick film. This is also the opening fanfare to Thus Spoke Zarathustra by Richard Strauss. Here goes. Cramp. All right, so we're going to look at the first half of this here on YouTube, and if you want to finish it off, you'll have to check out our website. It's free to give it a shot. You'll find all of this, my arrangement of this music as well. The sheet music will be up there too, and everything else we've done so far, which is quite a bit of stuff. If you feel I've earned it, subscribe, and let's get started. Now, this is fairly straightforward, so I'm going to go ahead and just teach you everything all at once, so both hands at once. So it begins with this low rumble in the very bottom. So first of all, here's middle C, right? And we're starting all the way down here. And we have this tremolo, this low rumbling tremolo to start us off. And it's very drawn out, so you can just kind of do that as long as you want. It's measured, it is, but I don't know that it really matters too much. So you can play that for as long as you want, and then just kind of through the mist of that heavy, heavy fog comes that opening fifth. So we have a C octave. Remember again, this is middle C. And then a G, and then a C again, right? And that's all while you're still rumbling in the left hand, tremoloing. Open fifth, and then an open fourth. And here you can crescendo, get louder, and then that epic chord that everybody knows. So that's this, 5, 2, 1 in the left, 1, 2, 4, 5 in the right. So C major basically. And then C minor after that. So you can see from here to here. So all the E's move to E flats, but all the other notes stay put, like this. So you have this huge crescendo, like that. After that, you get another rumble here. And then, these are the timpani, right? You got a triplet, a stretched out triplet in the timpani here. It's just 5 and 2 on C and G. And if you want to count how many times you do this, it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and then back to the theme. Okay, so that's kind of important because nobody really hears this, unless you're looking at the music, nobody really hears this as a triplet, but it is, in fact, a triplet. So when you're doing this, you have to think 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, back to the theme. But of course, when you're playing this, if you're thinking in threes, you'll get the right amount, but when you're playing this, nobody's gonna actually hear that you're thinking in 3. 1. And then we have the theme again, right? Next, we get this. So it's basically the same thing we had before, but in the opposite direction, from C minor to C major. This time, this is our first chord. 5, 2, 1 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 5 in the right. And then all the E flats become E naturals. So in the left hand, you have this to this, same fingering for both chords. In the right hand, you have this to this. From 3 on E flat to 4 on E natural. So you have that huge rumble again. Like that. Rumble again. And timpani, triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the theme. G. And here's where it gets interesting. We have this. But this is where we're going to stop. So I'm going to have a look at the rest of this. And I know that my hand goes off the screen, but I'll be careful to clarify exactly what I'm doing up there so that you can see what to play and how to play it. Yes, so this is where I'll stop, and we'll keep going where we left off on the website. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.